everyone, I'm LeighAnn, and this is my husband, Grant. If you don't know him, here he is.
That's me.
If you don't watch the vlog channel, you probably don't know who he is, but I don't know why you're not watching the vlog channel. Seems like a personal problem. Anyway, so as you know, as the internet has probably told you 900,000 times, Halloween is coming up. And if you don't have a costume at this point, you need to get on it. So last minute costume people, I understand you. I am one of you. Amazon is a very easy way to get it done. I decided I wanted Grant to pick out some costumes for me, and he so graciously agreed to shoot a video with me. I'm gonna try on the costumes. How many did you order?
I think I did 5 or 6.
Doesn't even remember. It was like 2 days ago.
A lot.
So I have no idea what's coming for me. What?
There's a wig involved.
There's a wig. There's a wig. There's like multiple boxes, and he just says, "There's a wig."
It's all the wigs. We have to assemble it.
So I have no idea what's coming for me. Knowing Grant, it could be anything. I'm a little nervous. Price point wise, what was the range?
I think we went from like 20 something to about 60 something.
Okay.
Nothing over, definitely nothing over 75 for the whole ensemble. We tried to keep it, you know, kind of affordable, reasonable.
That's good. I'm kind of shocked.
You're not no Heidi Klum trying to go crazy.
Wow, don't you love when your husband tells you, you're not no Heidi Klum?
No, but you know, she used to do all those crazy.
Yeah, that's true. She goes all out.
So these are
I'm no Heidi Klum. Did you get any costumes for you?
No, and I think I have a costume I've been wearing the last couple years, and I think I tossed it out.
No, you have a costume that you wore last year, the captain.
Oh, yeah.
That's the new Grant.
Yeah, that is my costume now. I used to have a Top Gun jumpsuit.
Yeah, I know. I remember it was on your Tinder profile.
Yeah.
With a mustache.
Hey.
To this day, I try to convince him to get a mustache, and he won't. Can you stand with me in the comments? Should he get a mustache?
Show off these cheeks. Clap these cheeks.
Clap them. All right, I don't think I can really procrastinate any longer. I need to start. Are you gonna pick the first costume, or do I just get to bust in, or what?
No, I'm gonna pick them. Yeah.
Okay.
I got a sort of an order picked out of my head.
Okay.
First up.
Is it a wig?
This one, no. This one you don't need a wig.
Okay.
You can go au naturel for this one. So this one is a 90s throwback classic. We all know how hot 90s fashion is. So we've got...
Oh, hello. I feel like every brand does one of these, a clueless, and I've always wanted to do it. I've always wanted to make this happen for myself.
Fancy girl.
I do love you.
AKA.
Fancy girl, that's what they're calling it?
Yeah.
And the brand name is Dream Girl.
Dream girl. Comes with this skirt and a little like button-up blazer.
It doesn't come with the
knee
socks.
highs and shoes sold separately.
You know what I forgot to ask you, and it came to me while I was brushing my teeth this morning? We did not talk at all about sizing. Did you just wing it? Did you look at the size charts at all?
Yeah, of course. I know your measurements. I went by the size charts.
You know my measurements?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Of course.
Of course?
Of course.
When are you measuring me?
In your sleep.
Okay.
Ooh, look at this girl.
I don't think I'll fit in the frame. So I just tried to complete the look the same way the girl on the front of the package did. I thought that I had some of those like little knee-high things, but I only had like these weird tights that are like nude or like transparent at the top and then white on the bottom. I mean, I feel like it works. It's definitely not like high quality, but it's not garbage. No. I feel like it's like a tiny bit big, or it fits me a little bit bigger than the model, but it's not horrible.
It looks good. Okay,
so Grant likes it. I would have guessed that. He picked it, but we want to rate them. Okay. Because maybe you're looking for a costume. Maybe one of these costumes could work for you. Maybe one of these costumes could work for me. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say?
I'd say actually probably a 6. Because I think it looks like the character. It's pretty good quality. It was $45.
45?
Yeah.
And it just came with the blazer and the skirt.
Yeah.
If you were getting a blazer and a skirt and it was $45, that would be kind of a great deal. But for a costume, it should come with the tights. Like not everybody just has like strange two-tone tights laying around.
So maybe really a 4.
I give it a 5. So let's say 5 because it's like in the middle.
Okay.
Okay.
So next we have our first of 2 Disney options. This one is Slipperless Sweetie.
Wait, did you go all like sexy version costumes?
No.
Okay, good to know. Just checking.
There's multiple sexy levels with all these costumes.
Multiple sexy levels?
Yeah.
This one is the sexy version, Grant. Did you know?
It's sexy, but it's not as sexy as some of the other ones. This one has a faux fur cape. So that's why I chose this one.
I'm really nervous about this one. I don't like this one. I'm just saying, I don't like this one.
Try it out.
Try it out.
Try it out.
Are you seeing this? I am questioning this entire video idea. Like, why did I think this was a good idea? So how much was this god-awful costume?
$50.
Wow. Now the quality of this one is a nightmare. Well, it probably just needs a good steamer. Grant noticed immediately that it's not as fluffy, so you probably need one of those like mini petticoat like tutu kind of things. I don't know. My shoulder's a little too broad, I guess. Actually, never mind. Maybe I'm putting it on wrong because am I missing something?
It goes right here.
Oh, it snaps to my outfit. Of course it doesn't snap together. Gotta keep the cleavage out. And my problem with the cleavage is the straps are really long, and if I like pulled it down to, I guess, where it wants to be, it would be a lot. It would be a lot for me. It does also come with this lovely choker that's basically just a ribbon with Velcro on the back, and even on its like tightest setting, it's too big for my neck, so it's just kind of like hanging loose, looking nasty. What do you think about it? How do you feel about your work as a costume designer?
This was not the best. I think I would give it, if we're gonna scale it, the quality's pretty low.
It's $50.
Yeah, it's overpriced. I think this is a 3. I like the fur.
Shoulders with the fur.
Yeah. What do you give it?
Now that I have the cape strapped onto my outfit, I feel like I need a little cape in my life. But this is not the one. I do not like this costume. But I acknowledge and value and respect that you got me a Disney costume. I like that about you.
All right, let's go. Should we do the next one?
Yes, we should do the next one. This one's a flop.
All right, so we have a non-Disney option.
I am enjoying this part of it all. What up, man?
So this one is one of LeighAnn's favorite mythical beings to dress up as.
A mermaid!
The mermaid. So this is the Under the Sea Mermaid. It's got like a full-length fishtail, glittery sort of thing, and like a little crop top and a pearl necklace. This one comes with little accessories.
Wow. I'm kind of into this.
Yeah.
It's pretty sexy.
It shows off a little stomach. Yeah.
Excuse me. Let me just say, my hair is strategically placed to protect my modesty. I can't say I totally hate this one.
That's cute.
I'm kind of into the fin.
Yeah.
It could be a little bit longer for me because I'm really tall. I will say, I gotta call them out real quick. They said pearl necklace included. Well, the girl on the package has like a cute like layered choker. This one is one of these guys like you got in your little dress up box whenever you're 4 years old and it like took up your whole body. Still does. Well, you have to like manually go like this, and you're never gonna get a cute choker like that unless you want to like choke yourself out. So this is pretty much what you get.
It's got some like little, you know, it has some little.
It's got some dangles.
Some dangles. It has a little coral on it. That's kind of nice. Actually, it's actually metal. So this was $60.
Yeah, I could tell this one was like a little bit more just because of the fin. Like this is actually kind of cool. Whenever I unfolded it, the fins kind of like popped out and, you know, came to life a little bit.
Yeah.
So you can tell they put like a little bit of thought into it. I feel like they put a lot more thought into the fin skirt area and not so much in the top. It might fit you perfectly fine, but it does not fit me at all. The problem is like the back. I don't know, there's just kind of like nothing to it. It's not a bad costume overall. I don't think I would be super comfortable wearing it.
Yeah.
Maybe if I put on my Ariel wig, I would feel like I was in disguise enough to wear it. And I just need to say, I have a Little Mermaid Ariel wig because one year I was a Little Mermaid, but I'll let it be known that my Little Mermaid costume was a onesie with the mermaid wig. So didn't really go this route with it, but can't totally say that I wouldn't.
Yeah, I think if the top was more adjustable, you could get it more secure.
Yeah, I don't know if this will make sense, but you know how sometimes when something doesn't fit right, like it feels worse than it looks? Like I feel like that's the situation. When I look in the mirror, it doesn't look all that bad. I don't know. I'm gonna give this one a 6.
I was gonna give it a 7.
Oh, you like this one.
Like
Is this your favorite so far?
I like the detailing. I like the quality. I think it's very cute without being like, oh, sexy Halloween. It's I think the best one so far.
All right, what do we got next?
So we have our second Disney option. Did you peek and look at it and see?
I could already see the color on the side. I think
this
I know.
one is a Tinkerbell.
Oh my gosh. I don't have high hopes for this one after the Cinderella one.
Well, this one was also only $27.
Oh.
But it comes with a dress with adjustable skirt, sleeves, wings, pouch, and headpiece.
It looks cute on her. And so this one is a not sexy costume, right, Grant?
Well, yeah, so they're all gonna be sort of, you know, cute, right? Wow, I like the sleeves.
You like my sleeves? I didn't think I was gonna be able to get this one on. This one's really tiny and really tight. I kind of feel like it's pretty see-through. Hopefully we're good. YouTube didn't mean to, I'm sorry. It came with like a little headband. Actually, I'm not even sure if that's what this is for. This could easily fit around my thigh, not so easily around my head. So I feel like my rating system is gonna be a little skewed because I just kind of don't love the costume. Like, I wouldn't be super excited to wear this. I don't feel like it looks bad though. I mean, but at the same time, it doesn't look good. I think this one is better quality than the Cinderella one, definitely. So I'm happy about that. It's definitely a lot more comfortable than the mermaid one.
Okay.
I don't know, I kind of feel like this one might be my favorite one so far.
Wow.
Even though it's like not my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh wait, how much did you say it was?
$27.
That's actually pretty impressive to me. I would say maybe size up because it's pretty tight. Oh, what's all this?
It's the skirts.
What? No. I just discovered there's a feature. This is a skirt that does something.
What do you get? What's the rating?
I don't know, maybe a 7?
I give it a 6.
6 or 7, yeah. What's next?
I think this will be your new favorite one. So this one, I tried to do a costume for this character, and it's actually just a dress and a wig because the costume, they didn't have any actual costumes in your size on Prime.
Okay.
But then I found like there was a dress that seems like people are using for costumes because they suggested you buy the wig with it.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of, and it's like an inexpensive dress.
Oh, creativity points.
So,
I like it.
Yeah. Can't really see it. It's just a black dress.
Okay.
And a black wig. Morticia Adams.
Oh, okay. This one I'm really excited about. I feel happy. I feel like my confidence in you is renewed.
All right. Ooh.
The wig is weird.
The wig is weird.
I feel weird.
That looks really good on you.
Well, okay, so Morticia did not have bangs. That's my first note. I didn't have a wig cap ready in there, so my hair is just like really lumpy, bumpy, just like stuffed in there. I will say I don't feel like the wig is horrible. The bangs look pretty fake and shiny, but like the length of the hair, not awful. I don't know, does it look awful in the camera? Maybe. So, I don't know. I like your creativity though. I'm here for it.
What do you think about the dress?
I like it. I feel like it was probably supposed to be floor length, but on me, it hits like around the ankle. But that's not your fault, and that's not Amazon's fault. I do feel like this is a very good choice for Morticia. I don't hate this. I do think you're right. I think this is my new favorite.
So what's your rating for this one?
I'll give it an 8. But it's only an 8 because it has bangs and it's not a center part. And I feel like that is so key for the look.
All right, I'll give it an 8 too.
I feel like you want to give it a 10.
No, the next one's gonna be a 10, so only
save the 10.
Only be 110.
Okay, all right, I'm ready.
Puff Me Up. So this is the inflatable Ride a Unicorn adult one size, includes battery pack.
No!
Inflatable costume.
What were the other options?
I don't know. I just saw this one. I said, that's it. That's the one.
How much was this one?
This one was like $45.
Ooh.
It was, yeah.
Kind of makes sense though, because it's like a battery operated kind of thing.
Yeah. Let's strap it on. It's the last one.
I'm ready. I'm not ready. Okay, I'm coming in.
Here we go.
Okay, I wanted you to experience some of the magic, so let's do this. I have to find my on switch.
Your on switch.
I know these have been around a while, but I am truly thrilled right now.
Oh my gosh, Luna, what is it?
Luna's scared.
What is that, Lou? Get
Oh
out
no,
of here.
Luna just evacuated. Do you just leave this on the whole time?
Yeah.
It's so noisy.
Alright. Let's do some laps. We gotta do some laps here. Try
I feel like it's gonna fall down.
It might. Wow. Yeah. Sexy.
Yes, queen.
This is sexy.
Finally,
Love it.
my kind of costume.
This
Luna
is a 10.
running in and out of the room barking at me. Luna doesn't like balloons, and she doesn't like animal faces on people. It's a very, she has a lot of like very obscure
Some
phobias.
hang-ups.
She's got some
She's got
serious
some
hang-ups. It makes perfect sense that this is
Yeah.
not Luna's cup of tea. But me, however, I'm kind of into it. I don't think I would wear this out to like a bar.
No.
I feel like maybe
It'd be a
there should be a
disaster.
rule against that because
Yeah.
this is a little bit much. Ooh, look at the tail! Did you see my
Rainbow,
tail?
yeah.
So,
I love it.
very sexy.
It's a 10.
It's a 10.
It's a 10. Oh,
I-
wait. We forgot one thing.
I want to try on 10 inflatable costumes. Oh no, I forgot the most important part. Now I'm ready.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sexy.
Sexy.
Oh yeah.
Strolling through the magical forest.
I wonder if you can like sit down with this.
Oh, his silence is amazing.
This has to be the most annoying costume ever in the world. Not only is it so huge, you can't get anywhere or do anything. You're just basically incapacitated. It's also really loud. So no matter where you are, you're making a ruckus. Even if you're just having a chill time, you're just like, and then if you decide you get sick of it and you just let it hang loose, you look like this. Very sexy.
Well, I think those costumes were good. I'm a little disappointed you didn't like them more.
I guess I just don't see myself as like the you know,
Yeah.
that kind of sexy. That's my version of sexy, by the way. You know, I don't know how to do it.
Very sexy.
Well, I feel like we've
Well.
learned a lot today.
We've lived a lot, we've laughed a lot, and we've learned a lot. I think this was fun.
This was really fun. It was crazy. It was fun, and honestly, like, I keep wanting to turn this back on, but I know I should not for the audio's sake. Subscribe. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. This was just like a silly video. Maybe you found a costume you like. I'll link them down below. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. It's LeighAnnSays. I'm happy you watched. Thanks for watching. I know this is like a goofy video. Grant's ready to go, so bye. Like
Do
a
your thing.
long distance wave.
It's like when you're
It's
on
like
a
you're on the back of
cruise.
a back of a ship. Yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
You're just kinda doing
Saying goodbye
Say
to the
we're
land.
sailing away.
I'm not
Cruise.
going off in the sunset on a boat. I'm gonna ride off into the sunset.
Oh, don't forget your
My
hat.
riding hat?
Your riding hat.
I'm riding off
Why don't
into
you ride
the
us out?
sunset.
You just gotta inflate a little bit first. Puff up. All right, Bros.
Bros?
Bros. Dun, 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 dun.
No cameras recognize my face.
So I was thinking on a scale of 1 to 5 pumpkins.
Oh! Luna's coming in. Are you helping?